What's up, people? Welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am doing a green thumb edition. Yeah, buddy. This one is all about an update to the garden that we have in the backyard. Now, I'm introducing the garden to some, but I'm updating the garden to others. For those who haven't been aware of what's taking place in the backyard, your boy is doing some gardening, okay? And it's all about having fresh produce, fresh vegetables, fresh organic vegetables for my family. Yeah, man, we trying to do right. We trying to eat right. Chris around here losing weight, getting all fit and fine, you know what I'm saying? At the same time. Fit and fine at the same time. That boy good, boy. Something about vegetables and freshness. They just get you rolling. But anyway, that's what I'm doing in the backyard. So I had a whole bunch of like fruit trees in the backyard. Cut them down because I don't want fruit rats. I heard about the possibility of fruit rats and was like, nah. I ain't gonna have it. So, vegetables. Got a whole bunch of vegetables. Got raised garden beds in the backyard and all that good stuff. So I want to do this video to update you because I've done some like other videos about the garden and I failed to realize that some people don't even know what's going on in the backyard. So for those who don't know, this is for you. And for those who already do know, this is for you to give you the update. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that right now because we try to hit these subscribers, man. We try to get to 100,000 by the end of this year. 100,000 subscribers in 2020, and your subscription could be one of the ones that gets us there. Okay. Well, actually, it will be the one that gets us there. It may not be the 100,000 subscribe, but it will be one of the ones that gets us to 100,000 subscribers. And it's going to be epic. When we get to 100,000, it's going to be an epic party going. Oh, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we're ready for y'all to join the family. Okay? Okay? The Don't Keep Up family. Okay? Do your own thing, family, okay? Live your life, family, okay? Pursue your destiny, family, okay? Live your life. Let's go to the backyard. Yeah! All right, beautiful people. So we are in the backyard area, which a lot of growth has taken place back here already. And y'all know I got dogs. Like, dogs live over there. Dogs live over there. And there's even a little dog over there. Yeah, dogs everywhere. But anyway, whoa. But anyway, let's get to the garden. All right, so as y'all can see, I labeled the bad boys, which is already a come up. This is my cucumbers. They are growing up very, very fast. I'm gonna probably have to do some pruning because I probably can't grow all of these cucumber plants in this row together. Next we have the cauliflower. The cauliflower is right here. It is coming up nicely. I'm excited for that because cauliflower looks interesting when it's growing. And this is carrots. Let's see if you can see the placard. Boom! Carrots right here, man. That's pretty cool. Like, this is after 2 weeks. 2 weeks of being in the garden, all by seeds. This is radish. Radish is growing up nicely. And then we have okra. I got these okra plants growing up. I'm so excited for those. That's going to be a nice addition to the garden. Like, the okra ain't nothing like some fried okra, you know what I'm saying? And Chris will be cooking it up in that air fryer. So, fried okra in the air fryer. I'm going to be excited. But I went in deep. So let me just show y'all an overview. So this is my situation. Like, I have 2 raised beds. So boom, one side. In the back, I have in the back, those are sunflower and like random flowers. Like, that's what's over there. Up here, I have lavender. That one I'm gonna have all marigolds and things like that over there. So just to kind of make it look nice. That one is open because I have other stuff I want to put in the garden, but I haven't done it yet because it's not the season for it. The season for those are March, like Brussels sprouts and squash and stuff like that. Anyway, so that's my situation. You know what I'm saying? So these are all like seeds. Like, this is all from seeds, man. These are all marigolds from seeds, which are actually growing faster than I thought. This is lavender. Looks like death. But anyway, I showed you that one. So now this one, these are broccoli leaves. Yes, sir. Broccoli leaves. And I planted this one differently. I planted this raised bed from north to south. This one is, no. This one's from east to west. This one's planted north to south. North, south, east, west. So that's the difference. Which may have something to do with why stuff is growing differently than others. But anyway, I think it's supposed to be cabbage. I don't think I planted cabbage. So I might have to go back and plant some cabbage. So I don't think I did. Maybe I did. I don't know. It doesn't look like it. Anyway, I have another line of broccoli. As you can see, that one's not growing at all. It's not growing at all. And then I have bush beans. Oh my gosh. All the dogs are out. Anyway, these are bush beans. Growing right there. Those look pretty cool. And then in the back, it was spinach. It was spinach in the back, but it's dying off, man. It's cold weather. We've been having cold weather in Florida. Well, cold weather for Floridians. And my plants are not taking well to the cold plants. Are not taking well to the cold weather. So it's been a struggle. It's been a struggle. I've lost a lot of spinach during this struggle. But anyway, let's get back to it. So then over here, we have, these are marigolds there. As you can see, they're dying off because of the cold weather. They don't like cold weather. But it's cool because I can take these, I could take this off and there's seeds in here. So it's not lost. These are wins when they die off. Like I said, for seeds for future plants. So that's that. Over here we have tomatoes. Tomato seedling. So boom, tomato seedling right there. Right there. And right there. And right there. So as you can see, it's struggling because it's cold outside. And then we have scallions, onions right here. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. It's not really growing like I want it to. Next we have bell peppers. Those are little 4 seedlings. Boom, 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 and boom. And that's it. Parsley on the back row. That bed is struggling. This is the this is the oldest raised bed that I have. This is the oldest one. This is actually the newest one. And it's interesting because this one is actually like doing the best out of all of them. Very interesting. This is the newest. This is the second newest. This is the oldest. Interesting. And then back here, we have the sunflowers. They are growing up quite nicely, if I do say so myself. This is like mixed flowers in the front row. So it's 3 rows. Mixed flowers in the front row. So that's going to be cool. Second row, I have dwarf sunflowers. So on the whole bed, it's 3 rows. And the second row, dwarf sunflowers. And then in the back rows of each one is regular sunflowers. So the regular sunflowers can grow up to like 7 to 8 feet. Whereas in the dwarf sunflowers grow to about 4 feet. So there'll be some like elevation. So it'll be height, boom, boom. And then the regular flowers are, low flower type deals. So that's pretty interesting. So that's how this is all set up. It's pretty cool. It's interesting how I have like this patch of no growth, but like growth. It's interesting, man. It's interesting. This is how things work in a garden. Everything doesn't pop off like you expect it to. All right. So then this is the second oldest bed that I have here, which you'll see like some sprouting. So the main sproutings are garlic. I planted those like first. Throwback videos, like I did those. This one is actually an onion. I cut up an onion in 4s, stuck it in the ground, and this is what I have, man. This thing is growing pretty fast, like I must say. This right here, this is an avocado tree. I'm really trying to figure out what to do with it because obviously it cannot stay here. I'm thinking about uprooting it and moving it over So that area where I have like other fruit trees, minimal fruit trees, banana and papaya, very minimal. And thinking about just putting it over there because obviously it can't stay here. But anyway, back to the bed. It's a little dark over here because the sun hasn't, come over here yet. But just hitting it from this angle, we have onion, as you saw, garlic right here. That's growing up it was growing up very fast, but again, this cold weather is not friendly to any of us. This row is spinach. The spinach is doing a little better in this bed. Just to give you a little idea, like boom, spinach, boom, spinach. This row is another row of spinach that's doing pretty cool. Like, you can start to see it coming up, stuff like that. And then we have lettuce, assorted colors of lettuce, your purples and your greens growing up. That one's doing very well. As you can see, these other ones are making it happen. Maybe this avocado tree is blocking the sun, which is obviously not productive to it. But yeah, man. These are my tomatoes. I have 3 different variety of tomatoes here. I bought these, obviously. I got the Husky Cherry Reds growing there. I have the beefsteak, the big boys, growing there in the center. And then I have, what do we have? And then I have the Better Bush, regular size, growing there. So the mini, the big boys, and the regular size, all growing together in harmony in this raised bed. So just to give you a reminder, this is the oldest one. This is the second oldest one. That's the third oldest one. Fourth oldest, newest one. It's actually doing the best, which is amazing. It's amazing, man, how this all works. All right, and this one is my last one I'm gonna show. This one is the herb garden. This is a row of mint, various types of mint. So I have 3 types. Spearmint, regular mint, and then I have chocolate mint in the back. Bet you never heard of chocolate mint. I didn't. That's why I had to get it when I saw it. But anyway, nothing's really growing over. Oh, there's some basil growing over there. That's basil. This strip is rosemary. Nothing really happening in the rosemary line. This basil line is getting a lot of action. I'm wondering if it's all basil or if some of it is weeds growing through. We'll find out. All right, and then this is my row of lavender, which I have the lavender plant over there. But this is my lavender. And then I have cilantro. The cilantro is growing. Baby. That cilantro doing work, baby. What's up, cilantro? And this is thyme. It's a row of thyme that takes a lot of time. But this cilantro, though, this cilantro doing work, and this mint is doing work. And then this is like marigold seeds. I put them all in here, and we'll let that blossom and bloom, and that's gonna be pretty cool once it all comes up. So yeah, man, this is Le Garten for the Jones household, baby. And my compost is back there, of course. That's what that is. Compost bin doing what it do. So I can have that black gold in this garden. You know what I mean? 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 But at the end of the day, this is my garden, man. I'm so excited about this project in the backyard. This is the most dormant you'll ever see this garden because in a few weeks, this right here, whoosh, it's gonna be beautiful. And I'm just gonna be plucking, fresh vegetable. Having people back here just getting stuff. Oh, fresh vegetables for you, fresh vegetable for you, fresh vegetable for you, fresh vegetable for you. But anyway, I love you all, man. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Man, we trying to get 300 by the end of this month, which is today. This is the last day for that. But anyway, the grand scheme is 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year, 2020. So go ahead and be a part of that. Tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe, share this video, like this video, comment below if there's any vegetables you think I should grow in this bed. If there's anything you think I should grow in this bed, hit that comment below and I'll give it a try. Wait, I give it a consideration, and then I give it a try. But I'm excited, man. Y'all see that deck? Y'all see it? It's coming, y'all. Another deck is coming. I just got to put all the pieces together. I shit too much. But anyway, I love you all, man. As we always say, don't keep up with the Joneses. Why? Because there's so much that this earth needs from you. So be all that you were birthed to be, purposed to be, and destined to be, and make this world a better place because of it. All right, y'all. I love you.